This is the Hohmann Transfer Interactive Calculator, which computes the delta-v requirements and trajectory parameters for orbital transfers between circular orbits. The calculator has a calculation mode drop-down with 5 options: complete transfer analysis, delta-v requirements, transfer time, orbital parameters, and escape velocity impact. For this demonstration, I'm using complete transfer analysis. There are 4 input fields. Central body mass in kilograms defaults to 5.972 E24, which is Earth's mass. Initial orbit radius in kilograms is where your spacecraft starts. Final orbit radius in kilograms is your destination orbit. Spacecraft mass in kilograms is your vehicle's total mass. Let's work through an example transferring from low Earth orbit to geostationary orbit. I'll enter 6778 kilometers for initial orbit radius, 42164 kilometers for final orbit radius, and 2500 kilograms for spacecraft mass. After clicking Calculate Transfer Parameters, we get comprehensive results. The initial orbital velocity is 7.669 kilometers per second. First burn requires 2.397 kilometers per second delta V to enter the transfer orbit. Second burn needs 1.456 kilometers per second to circularize at geostationary altitude. Total delta V required is 3.854 kilometers per second. Transfer time is 5.29 hours. With a specific impulse of 300 seconds, we'd need 1825.44 kilograms of propellant. That's 73% of our spacecraft mass. This tool streamlines mission planning calculations. Find the link in the description below.